Those massive home renovations and skyrocketing quotes, yeah, they can feel totally overwhelming.
Dreaming of that perfect kitchen, but those crazy upfront costs are stopping you dead in your tracks?
Honestly, watching traditional renovation expenses pile up creates a massive financial roadblock to upgrading your space. Enter OIS Designs. They're this incredible, innovative solution perfectly bridging the gap between dream and reality. Just scan your room, grab a 360-degree design, and easily fund it using flexible buy now, pay later platforms. Clients like Sarah from Toronto literally eliminated all that financial stress, finally scoring their dream kitchen. See, OIS is a dual threat. For folks like Michael and Priya, they design it and help pay for it. It's just a totally seamless journey, taking you straight from a quick phone scan to a stunning space.
Because you have the power to choose. Always live by design, guys, not by default.
Book your free session at oisdesigns.com or call 1-647-474-1893. So what space are you going to design first?